I'll generate another report. Okay. In this time, I want the compliance report. Why the compliance report is very much important for an auditor? This is how they will get to know whether the accounts are getting rotated as per the master policy or not. Auditor 14. Okay. I will simply follow the same thing. I'll not go with the any filter for the moment. I'll generate with the whole configuration, with the whole thing. Here, see, this is been currently pending. I'll scroll down. I'll click on the refresh icon. Okay, it's been downloaded. I will download. Sorry, it's been generated. Now I'll download it. It's downloaded. I will open this up. This is again a warning. You have to select yes whenever you receive this warning. There is nothing to be worried about. Why this report is so much important for an auditor? It is because there is this column, non-compliant reason and non-compliant account. See, these accounts are non-compliant. So the password of these accounts did not get changed as per the defined password policy. This is what somebody can go and check this out. If you look at this account, Nick's account, this is compliant. So all the accounts, those who are coming under compliant, they are good. The password expiration is 43 days. So after 43 days, the password will get rotated by the CPM itself. I will take another example of the non-compliant. Let's take this example. So Vault internal account. This account password will get changed after 88 days. However, you can see this account is again non-compliant. There is a password mode configured, like this password is not getting rotated automatically. If you see what's written over here, automatically with the manual key trigger. So this account password will get changed, but this password will never get changed until it is been triggered manually. So all these things, somebody as an auditor will, directly go select the manual and they will bumped in. Okay. They will directly question the admin team. Why these accounts are set as a manual? Why they are not being changed by the CPM automatically when their expiration period is come up? So CyberArk administrator must have the justification, a business justification, appropriate business justification. These are the reason we are not, following the policies, because the best policy says every account should get rotated automatically by the CyberArk. If some account are put into the exception, then of course there should be a valid reason for it. And if we go back to the this one, yeah, then there are a lot of different reports, and every report has a different value to add, like the activity log. If I generate the activity log, this report simply says what my users are performing on day-to-day basis. Okay. So when I say user, I mean to say your admin 010204 or your user 01020304 account. These accounts I'm specifically mentioning you about. What they do, what all things they are doing it on the day-to-day basis. You see, it's not being generated till now. So I'll wait for a couple of minutes. Oh, it has too many records and it's done successfully. So the records are very high. I will download and open. Okay, it is getting open. Okay, you see this thing, right? Okay. I will now show you so that you also can understand. I will show you for admin 11, which is Uttarayan. So whatever Uttarayan has done into PVWA, this will be coming up here. You see here, he has performed all these operations knowingly or unknowingly, and that's how we can go and audit what all account he has taken access to. So PSM Connect simply means he has taken access to this 35 system, and the account is this account Nix 11. This is the account Nix 11. He has taken this account access on this period of time 12/20 through in today itself. So this is what usually an auditor does. These are the different reports available in the CyberArk. Few reports are also available explicitly or exclusively from the different menu. I'll show you that also. So we will go inside the server, and if we are there, I think. So we have the icon here also, private arc. From private arc also you can generate couple of report. That's what it is. So I'll show you. Okay, this user is logged in already, so I'll not interrupt this user. I'll use the other user. Okay, I'll use the administrator 4. The option which I will be following is I will go to the users I'll go to the tools, their reports, and you see various reports are there. So I will click on various options and I will be able to see what things they have to print, like safe list. So whatever safes are there in the vault, they will be able to share me up. So I'll provide the report output. I want to store it into my desktop. Now, desktop. Okay, report has been generated. I will go to my desktop and we'll see where the report is. I will also log off. Make sure that you log off from your private app console. Okay. See, safe list. This is the report. So this report is currently being in CSV format. I can, okay, function, okay. I can put it in this way. In desktop. I want to show the extension. Okay, now I have the extension. So I will change the format to CSV. Okay, now you will be able to see it more clearly. So you can see, right? These are the safe which currently we have with us. All these safes. So this is how an auditor can keep tab of things. Not only auditor, but even the CyberArk administrator can be leveraged with the reporting system. They can see like what all safes are created, how many, what is the current size, how many space is being consumed, what is the free space, who's accessing it, who has access to it. So there are a lot of different applications to the reporting part that you can have. Cancel it out. Okay. And that's all, I think, from the reporting part. Just allow me a minute to stop the recording.